Okay. Shush. All right, we talked about coterminal angles, right, Jesse? And we talked about coterminal angles have exactly the same initial and terminal side, meaning they start at the same place and they end at the same place. So really what's happening, if I know they're going to start at the same place and end at the same place, we talked about in that warm-up problem, if coterminal angles are just a multiple of 360 degrees. So really, if I just want to go back, if I want to draw another angle that's going to end here, I can just add another 360 degrees, right? Because if I go from here all the way around a circle, we talked about was 360 degrees. So when you want to find coterminal angle, you can add, if I just have 240 degrees, and if I just add 360, right? Because I'm still starting here, from here to here is 240, and then if I just add another 360, I'm just going to continue again back around the circle, and it's going to end still on my terminal side. Does everybody see that? So this ends up equaling 600 degrees. Now, you could keep on doing this over and over and over again. You could add 360 again, because then what would happen? Is it still going to end at your same point? Yeah, right? So essentially you could say, oh, another one would be, 600 plus another 360. And that's going to equal 960. Right? And you can keep on doing this infinite many times. Now, the question, though, asks, I want to find a positive and a negative coterminal angle. Well, if you guys look at that, if I can erase this blue, all these are going to be positive. And if I keep on adding 360, I'm going to keep on adding 360, right? Well, we can also go in the negative direction. Here is the positive direction. We can also start here and go here, which is called the negative direction. Right? Well, how do we find that value? Well, just like we can add 360, you can also subtract 360. And when you do that, you end up getting a negative 120 degrees.
Just like we did on radians.
Yep, exactly just like radians. Add and subtract 2 pi. Yeah. Right? So therefore, two coterminal angles, I can do 600 degrees and a negative 120 degrees. So that's how you find your coterminal angles when dealing degrees. If you're dealing with radians, instead of using 360 degrees, you would use 2 pi. Add and subtract 2 pi until you get a positive and negative.
Wait, repeat that? No, what did you just?